meeting seafarers all over the world and especially also in India and our lovely state Goa. I am Joseph Fernandez, President of Goa Seamen Association. So today is the last day and the port for the last port of call for Cordelia Cruises in Goa. And we decided to come here to appreciate the crew, especially because it's going to be the days of the seafarers on 25th June. So we came prior and to appreciate this crew by giving them roses. We met the captain, Captain Vitaly Briko, who is the captain of the ship, and he told us, gave us some very good insight. The crew is happy, the ship was in very good condition, and we believe that we have to have a more longer standing relationship with Cordelia Cruises and us. And so, to finish off, again with the Day of the Seafarers happening on 25th June, I want to tell all Cordelia crew that please do attend our function on the 25th of June at Benaulim, which we will be having at Maria Hall at 10 a.m. in the morning. We are come here to address your issues, to see into the welfare of the crew, and to also make Goa a better place so that it becomes a good destination for cruises. And I will hand over to my colleague Dixon to say the next one. Thank you.
So today we had, as part of our 25th June International Day of the Seafarers, we have come especially to meet the crew of Cordelia. They are all mostly Indian crew, and also we are delighted to meet a captain who gave us a very nice insight of the ship and also on the bridge tour. Goan Seamen Association Ami Jedna 2010 and Godunalni Ternason, we had asked for a better facilities of port, especially for cruise ships. And आमकां दिसता फाटल्यान एक new cruise ship terminal बांदला. And also you remember many years ago, आमचे Indian crew, they were not allowed to come in the port. There was a lot of difficulty. But through Goa Seamen Association of India and with the government of Goa and India, eyes आमकां दिसता there is that red tape is gone. So that all the process to get out of the ship on time, get families on board, have started. So that credit goes to us, all of us. We are working, and now especially we are going to felicitate a lot of crew on the 25th June of this month, International Day of Seafarers. And there are three issues which are the seafarers' health, mental health, and medical condition. The second is about a $15 where the companies are cutting them the money, but they are getting very low benefit. And the third is about the 75 years only. The government have, the shipping DG Shipping have introduced a scheme, benefit for only 75 years. But आमी जगतले, आमी shipping minister मेटले, आणि सांगतले 75 years why also who cross 75 years should also benefit under this scheme. So once again, Goan Seamen Association and Navan, Sagdan Tuka Deo Barpuruga, MPT, and congratulate the government of Goa for continuous improvement in the port, especially for the cruise liners. We want more cruise ships to come, and also we will meet the captain of ports and we tell them maybe in Panjim, Miramar, the draft they should dredge it and make a better small ships luxury ships can come into Panjim, which is the main hub and the central. I think all these things we will give the feedback. So once again, thank you very much.